Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Pran RFL Group has been welcomed by the I. Baker family.
Alpala agrees to build a new mill in Sweden.
New cereal storage plant in Romania, by Silos Cordoba.
Brief feature on the maize flour milling machine with hammer crusher.
Production and demand of aromatic rice is increasing and the price is also rising.
Euler and Ardent Mills celebrate the opening of new state-of-the-art mill in Florida.
Neck blast in burro paddy of Hatter, farmers are worried.
How local brands in Bangladesh have replaced foreign brands in 50 years.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Bill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
XAMC 2022 Australia, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Space 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.